I'm here to announce the third place. This team came up with a very cool demo, an application that keeps you on your toes. It keeps the viewers engaged with, it has the potential to keep the viewers engaged with interesting overlays, say statistics like, game statistics, player statistics. It applies to a very interesting niche area that's evolving in media streaming, which is about sports broadcasting. Yeah, I don't want to keep the suspense anymore. The third place goes to Pirates of Tripoli.
Okay, so for the second stuff, they have a good working application. The user interface is okay. The demonstration is also okay, and it is something that people can use daily. Yes, and they have integrated with several platforms. So I guess the Streamway is the second. So thank you.
Please introduce the winner.
So the winner here went above and beyond and wasn't just leveraging a static video stream. They were embedding AI ML. They were solving a real business problem. They were even caring for security and data privacy features. And for those three reasons, I am happy to award the first place winner. I'm gonna let you go, click along. A little drum roll, please. The winner of this competition, I'm dragging this out as long as possible, I'm having fun with this, is the Medicant team. Congratulations.